1 minute set Qualcomm close using regression model to analyze there are scatter diagram lines combined nonlinear model curve linear model. 1 straight line analysis. The result is a downward trend. Blue is the closed value. Red is estimated value. Yellow is upper limit and lower limit of 95% predicted interval. Nonlinear line model analysis. The result is a downward trend. Curve linear model analysis. The result is a downward trend. Lines combined, which last line is the upward situation. Line 28 is the last line. The coefficient of determination is 0.644219, which can be the predicted equation. Those predicted values could be referred. Comparing the relative errors of two estimated methods, the estimated line of the second method is better. The second method relative errors are very small. This method can get the efficient and accurate estimation equation and estimated values. Excel calculating the probability distribution simulated data is an explanation of the simulator and random variables transformation of probability distribution using the Excel VBA. Please refer to in purchase, available from amayan.com. Demythologized Durbin-Watson test statistic transforms with real random variables and obtains the sampling distribution of test statistic and calculates the real critical value. Please refer to in purchase, available from amayan.com.